Do you want customer to chase you away out from your shop where they are rushing to buy your products? Be it online products, be it physical store, you are going to get tired of customers after doing this. Guys, it is not a joke. As you can see in my hand here, I have coconuts, and these coconuts, not just coconuts, but coconuts with cover. Coconut with cover. So if you are lacking customer, if you want to make huge sales, if you want customer to disturb you so you can no longer sit down, get this particular one. I will tell you what you need to do using this coconut that has cover. Hello guys, welcome back again in another beautiful video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So guys, I am here to share with you another mind-blowing recipe on how you can attract sales, how you can attract customer, how you can make customer to chase you away from your shop while they are buying your products. The question is, are you ready to sell? Are you ready to stand up until evening time? Are you ready to be standing up every day selling? If your answer is yes, now let's move to the video. Now, to make customer to chase you out from your shop, to make customers to begin to troop in and begin to order, whether you have physical store or online store, you want to make sales, you want to cash out hugely. Like I always said, if you are the member of this family, count yourself lucky, because this year is our year by special grace of God. There is no evil form against yourself will ever prosper. Okay, we must make it this year. In fact, it is a God's given promise to us at the beginning of this year, and that must surely happen. Okay, to every subscriber, every customer, every viewers. All right, it's a now get a coconut that has cover like this. That is number one ingredient. Try the coconut, get the water out from it, get this perfume called Onola perfume. They get the biggest one, they get the medium one, and this one is the smallest one of Onella. So get this particular two ingredients, mix it together and pray over it. Say your intention, however you want your customer to be. You understand? Make that prayer very well, and after making that prayer, bottle the coconut water and the mixture of this Onella. Okay, put it back again in this. If the coconut water cannot enter here, if the milk cannot be able to contain here any longer, look for another container to put it. Now, how will you make use of this thing? You have to make use of it whenever you are going out. For those that has physical store, whenever you are going out, sprinkle this on your hand. That today, as you are sprinkling this in your hand, that money will never lack from your hand. That customer from west, from south, from east will locate you, and as you are going your shop today, you are going to come back with millions in your hand. Let me tell you, whatever you decree on this mixture is what is going to come to you. It can even mention how many customers that you need in a day. So for those of you that are into online business, the moment you take your bath, your morning bath, sprinkle the perfume all over your body, your clothes, and then use it a little sprinkle on your computer, okay, or your phone where you're using to do your online business. And let me tell you, you are going to, if our customers will begin to locate you, especially grace of God, you are going to start ordering for your products. All right, you are not to do this once and keep quiet. It's something that you continue doing it every day, and with faith, you are going to see how God is going to use this to bless you massively in a surprising way that you never expected it. Okay, so this worked perfectly well, is tested and was trusted. Try it and you see God in action. Do this every day, every morning. If the mixture finish again, we do it again. Make your prayer, start using it again. We must make it this year. This is our year of progress, and nothing shall stop us. So guys, that is the end of this video for today. Please, after watching this video, please support your sister by subscribing and liking and also sharing this video. Also leave your comment section, your encouragements, comment section under the comment section. Thank you for doing that. May God Almighty bless you. See you on my next episode. You have a lovely day. Bye.